Why does your scanner show the P0555 engine code? What does it mean? P0555 is a diagnostic trouble code for brake booster pressure sensor circuit. The P0555 engine code for indicate the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Brake Control Module, BCM, has detected a voltage signal from the brake booster sensor that is missing, incorrect. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty brake booster pressure sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, vacuum system leaks, internal sensor leaks, PCM or BCM glitch. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.